I got my coffee and today we are going for a ride, an adventure, and we'll see what else happens. And we are in traffic. Look at that. It's sick. Look at that. I went to visit my sister for a second, and now I'm gonna go have some lunch. I'm not cooking just yet because it's a new place and I like to explore places. Shut up, the bell thing. And let's go. Might be the longest exit that I've ever been on. I have a feeling it's gonna be really tough to find parking without paying, but whatever. We'll figure it out when I get there. First time here, so we'll see. Camper vans everywhere. Camper vans everywhere. Vans everywhere. We found some parking. Having a backup camera changes the game. What I usually do is take a quick look at all the signs. I don't see any signs in the street that I need a permit, so we should be good. That thing's beefy. I think he has a barbecue up top there. What? Ooh, camper vans. Some good lunch. I know you're wondering why haven't I talked too much, because bars like these do have music playing in the background and YouTube is not very happy about that. So don't you worry, I had the burger, blue cheese burger with Impossible patty, it was okay, and French fries. It's my cheat day. It is getting a little windy. I'm sure you probably don't hear me right now. Today, I'm just gonna go hang out with my family, maybe possibly grab some dinner, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Day number 2. So let's go. That's right, I am at the docks. That thing. I'm not gonna go on it. I've been on Mini before, but pretty impressive. So I have been on an aircraft carrier before in New York City. It's pretty much similar, so that's why I'm not going on it. That doesn't mean we're not gonna get ourselves in a little bit of trouble. Let's go see what we can find. There's a guy that's running around here. I'm sure there's like a way to go around, or maybe he comes back. But every time he passes by somebody, including me, he tells them to have a good day. Well, I will have a good day, sir. Thank you. There are obviously a bunch of restaurants and shops around here. I may have to stop in for some lunch at some point, but I'm just taking it in. It's like a really small village on the deck. I would say I'm in the town center. Probably not. first time I've seen the United States bus that'll take you on the water. I've seen that in Canada when I went, but it's the first time I see something like that here, which is pretty cool. I might have to go on one of those tours at some point. Do we there? No, I usually go to vineyards for that. It is pretty cool though. It does have like a little porch outside. They have a carousel back there, and back there is where I'm gonna be having lunch from the brewery. And look at the view. I'm definitely having lunch here. Alright, lunch is done. They had 3 vegetarian tacos and I ordered all 3 of them. When I got them, I realized how big they were. So, pretty stuffed, I need to walk it off. See that right there? That's where we're gonna try to get to next. See all these yachts and all these boats out here? A lot of people actually don't realize that people live on their boats. Like how I do the van life thing, there's boat life, except they have a lot of money. We're almost there. It's a longer walk than I thought it was gonna be, but it's okay because I had really big tacos for lunch. I didn't actually finish them because there's humongous. I was actually full. I'm not sure if they're breaking down or they're getting ready to rehearse. That is big. It doesn't look big walking down over here, and I think yes, they're definitely breaking down, so they might have rehearsed before, but I think they're done. That was a pretty cool thing to see. I'm hoping that I can come here one time to experience a really cool concert or something. So I have to put that in my notes to not forget to do it. Check out this video up here if you want to see more van life related content. Thank you for coming along on today's video on my San Diego trip. Let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions for next time I come to San Diego, and I will see you guys in the next one.